Today, we'll show you how to set up the activity profiles on your vívoactive 4 or 4S for the first time. The first time you press the Start button to select an activity profile, you will be asked to set up your favorites list. Your favorites list is the activities that you perform most often. Scroll through and put a check mark next to the activities you want on the favorites list. Press the Start button to confirm your selection. These activities are now on your favorites list and will show up at the top anytime you are ready to start an activity. If you want to record an activity that isn't on your favorites list, touch the color icon at the bottom of the watch face. This will show you all the other activity profiles on the watch. Select a profile to start an activity. You can also create a new activity profile directly on the watch. Navigate to the Activity Profile list and touch Add More. Now, select an activity profile that you would like to copy. Scroll through a list of activity profile names and select one. Now you can customize the settings for this profile. You can customize things like data fields, alerts, or auto-lap. Touch Done when finished. And that's it! You can now set up your favorites and create new activity profiles on your watch. For more videos on setting up and using your vívoactive 4 or 4S, visit the vívoactive 4 or 4S page at support.garmin.com.